Hi there, this is Dawn and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, thank you for stopping by. This channel is about beauty looks and
it's not a game, it's a rich thing.
stay tuned and we'll see how it comes out. So I started off this look with the Farsali Unicorn Essence as a moisturizing underneath base. And what this essence does is it's an antioxidant serum. And I love to use it under my eyes to help prevent from the creasing and the wrinkling. And then with the primer veil from Hourglass. So Hourglass's veil, I'm using the Hourglass foundation as well. Next, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty. It's the Brow MVP, and I believe my color is Auburn. Okay, I'm just going to go in. I'm going to start with the line right up front, and I'm going to outline my eyebrow first today to give me my base. Taking short strokes, and I'm just continuously moving those strokes closer together, and I just follow the arch. Tiny short strokes. Bring it down. And again. I'm going to go in. I'm going to draw an initial light line that shows me what I'll be filling in. Make that go up, and I come around the top, just following my natural brow line. I make it a little bit thicker in here with the pencil because my brows are a little sparse from too much tweezing all my life. Then you want to double check your brows, and how you can check to see if your brows are lined properly. You can line the pencil from your nose to the edge of your eye, and if the pencil lands right there, you know that your brow is just long enough. Don't want to waste it. This stuff is precious. Precious stuff here. And I'm just going in with a little bit. I'm going to dip in here. And I just want to put a little bit under my eyes. Just to set that a little bit. I won't be using concealer under my eyes today. So I'm going to go in with a fresh look. And I just want to set my eyes. And I also want to set my frown lines, and definitely want to set right up in here. And lastly, right above the lip, I And I'm going into these areas that normally get very oily for me. And I'll let that sit while we do our eyeshadow. Got going on here. putting your lashes on, you can use a mirror and hold it below you and look down so that you can apply your lashes. And when you look down into the mirror, it will show you exactly where your lash line is, and you can stick it right on. Squeeze a little bit. And voila. You see how a lash will open up your eyes? And the other side. Go in, look down, press against, and it's on. And you just close it, close it, close the gap. Good morning. I'm going to put on a very neutral lip. This is a Morphe from a little Morphe lip kit. Lastly, I'm going to add a pop of color to my cheek from the collection. Let's see. What will make my cheeks pop? Let's go ahead and do that then, shall we? Final look for LGBT. Zoom on in there so you guys can check it out.
Flip,